Welcome back to another Descript version update. It's May 7th, 2024, and we now have version 89 of the software. Today is the fourth update in a row where it's a very minor change. The only new thing today is that you can now do recording from the web version of Descript. Reminder, there's two ways to use Descript. You can use the web version or the app version. And before, until today, recording from the web was not an option. But now, if this is the web version here, you can see if I go to the record button, I'm going to have to grant my browser permission. So you'll get this the first time you try to do it. You'll have to allow that. And then you get the same browser or the same options that you get in the app, where you can choose your camera, choose your microphone, and choose to record your screen. And they still say that the web version here is in beta, so I still don't recommend it for most users. But this is one more step, one more feature added towards it being fully capable like the app version. And they also put a note in the changelog, if I come back to the changelog, feedback.descript.com, about a change that is coming in version 90, which will be the next version, which is an update to how speaker labels are made. So it's this note down here. And so starting in version 90, when you change a speaker label, it'll change the label for all the audio after that point until the next speaker label. Now, the reason they put this note in here is they want you to adopt another workflow for labeling specific portions of speech. So if I come back over to my project and I have two speakers labeled here. Let me close this recording thing. I have Alan. So because I labeled Alan, it labeled it all the way down. And then I added Don as a label. So let me get rid of that for a second. And then if I hit the Shift 2 on my keyboard, which is the @ sign, then I can label a different speaker and it automatically does the rest of the project, the rest of that audio file in that speaker. But what I could also do is I could select a portion, like one sentence. I can highlight just that particular sentence and do the same thing. I can do Shift 2 on a US keyboard, which is the @ sign, and I get the speaker label option again. And let's make it myself, Ross. And now you see that it only labeled that specific portion that I had highlighted. And then after that portion, it goes back to being Don. So that's it for today. If I go back to the changelog real quick, we also have the usual bug fixes, some pretty minor things, just fixes of different glitches and issues that were happening. So overall, another very minor update. Thanks for watching.